that it's nice to actually have something positive come out of this experience that I've had. And the erythritol. Yes.
Okay, and this is the red grapes skin extract.
Yes. So I had an astrocytoma,
right.
grade 2, so really low grade.
Yeah.
So not an invasive, not a really malignant, nasty cancer. It's a slow growing tumour, and the location was right in the centre of my brain and a ventricle. So so impossible to get out in surgery, and it was also attached to the vein of Galen. They tried to, so they call it debulking. They try and take a bit out. It was too dangerous to take the whole thing out. And I believe what happened is that when they did start to debulk and take bits off it, I started to bleed and bleed a lot. So I had small infarctions, little strokes. And so he obviously went, this is too dangerous, and backed out. He wasn't going to take the whole lot. So later, during that year, I found out that somebody that my ex-husband had known, his wife, had gone on and she'd done some research. She had been diagnosed with a very cancerous tumour, and it was growing around the brainstem and couldn't be operated on. So she investigated and she found resveratrol is a powerful natural ingredient.
And where do you get this stuff?
Well, I didn't know. I had no idea. So I went online, Google, found a naturopath who made like a concoction. She made pills, tablets, capsules that had resveratrol, green tea, I think, and maybe fenugreek, black pepper, I think. Oh, and turmeric root. And I already knew that turmeric can either halt or slow down cancer cells. So I found this resveratrol and I started taking it in that capsule form with those other ingredients from that year, and I haven't stopped. And so initially...
And it hasn't grown?
It hasn't grown. Yes. It has not grown a smidgen.
Wow.
So the first thing that I did was I had radiation, which actually made the whole area swell, which was frightening. But then it all went down and it looked like the tumour had shrunk a bit, which is cool.
Yeah, wow.
And then so it...
And were you doing anything else at the same time?
I was juicing, I was clean living, so as in...
low chemicals.
As few chemicals as I could possibly do, and I was trying to avoid like preservatives and things like that as much as I could. I was just eating whole foods that were grown and good meat and just that sort of stuff.
What would you recommend for anyone who had a new diagnosis of something that was untreatable through those biomedical routes?
I would absolutely look at your diet and your lifestyle.